Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today, from a company I've not heard of for some time now, is Lypertek. A few years ago, they were really up there with great earbuds, etc., state of the art. So I guess they've been looking to find a new market, like all the earbud companies. And what they have just sent me to review are these. Now, these are not your normal earbuds. These are made from titanium, very flexible, mega strong, as you can see, and they are bone conduction, which means the sound goes through your bones, literally. I always find that an amazing concept. So let me just take you what you get through, what you get. You get obviously the earbuds in two different colors are available. They charge magnetically using this little gadget, like so. And what makes these unique, get straight to the point, or pretty unique, is they are fully waterproof. So you can use these for swimming. They've got a built-in memory, 32 gig, so you can download your music by using, again, this, and you plug it into your computer. And it comes with an adapter, USB-C as well. Download your music, because Bluetooth in music in water doesn't work very well. So you just use this as a waterproof MP3 player, but it plays any format. Download your music into here. Gives you about 8 hours of battery, which is fine. And to put it on, like so. And a lot of people love this kind of design because if you're a sports person, for walking, any sport whatsoever, they're not going to fall off. You're not going to lose one. You've got complete awareness to everything that's going on, which is great. They're very, very lightweight. I'll give you some of the technical spec as we just read them out very quickly. They're IP68, completely waterproof, dustproof. They're literally 23 grams, which is really light. And they've got the microphone, so you can make phone calls. And it's got the environment noise cancelling. So it picks up the noise from outside, gets rid of them, so you can only hear the sound of people coming in, and the other way around. I'll give you a microphone test at the end. All button controls, you don't need any app, so it works with any Bluetooth device from PCs to Macs, Apple to Samsungs, Android, whatever. It's got even 3 equalizers. Magnetic charging, as I mentioned, Bluetooth 6, so it's way ahead of the game, so to speak. It's got a little light at the back, so if you're at night time, you want a little flashing light. It just lets people know that you're around. Titanium frame, as I mentioned, and it is multi-point, so you can use this on 2 devices at the same time. Comes with that comes with a nice little bag to carry in, which has another little pocket in there. So this thing holds it together, so to speak, so it doesn't stretch or distort. Excellent sound. I mean, the sound I'm quite amazed by, to be honest. It comes with the equalizers, and I expected pretty average sound, because the last time I checked a bone conduction one, I was not impressed at all. But these, you don't feel they're on. Very impressive. Obviously, they're not hi-fi sound. They're not equal to, your Bose top of the range active noise cancelling. It's not for that. This is for your sports person. It can be used for everything, as you can see some of the pictures. You can wear them with regular glasses, sunglasses, whatever. You do not feel a thing, and there's also very little leakage. So the person next to you, because there's no earbuds, so to speak, are not going to hear the sound from you. They're very, very good, very clever. Get the thumbs up. Price range, a bit south of, about $80 to $90. I'll give you some links below in the notes. Please subscribe to this video and many other tech reviews coming up. And that's about it, I think. Okay, a quick test. This is using the Soundfree S30 in a relatively quiet environment. What do you think of the sound? It's pretty good to me.